Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today we are going to be learning about how you can add hotels to favorites in Booking.com application. If you regularly browse hotels on Booking.com, adding them to your favorites makes it easier to compare options later. First of all, open the Booking.com application on your device and log into your account if necessary. From the home page of Booking.com, go ahead and search for your destination, dates, and number of guests from the top of the screen. Select your location, select your check-in and check-out date, and then select your rooms and guests. After you do that, tap on search, and then from the search results, go ahead and find the hotels you'd like to add to your favorite list. After you find one, tap on the heart icon right next to the hotel. Once you do that, you will be able to add the specific hotel to your saved list. If you have multiple lists available, choose the list where you want to add the hotel, otherwise it will be saved to your default list. Now, from the search page, you will be able to find the hotels that you have saved displayed on the screen. So there you have it. Adding hotels to your favorites on Booking.com helps you organize your travel plans, compare options, and find the best deals faster. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.